Have you ever heard a sound in the wild that feels both beautiful and a little mysterious? That might just be the call of the shrike bird, a small yet fearless songbird known for its sharp voices and bold behavior. Shrike Bird Sound is not your typical sweet melody. It's a mix of harsh notes, whistles, and chattering sounds, almost like it's trying to send a warning to intruders. Sometimes you will hear it produce a harsh chack chack sound, echoing through the fields or thorny bushes. Each call serves a purpose, a way to defend its territory, attract a mate, or alert others about danger. Unlike many gentle songbirds, the shrike has a fierce personality. That toughness shows in its voice. Its sounds often start soft, then suddenly grow intense, showing the bird's confidence and alert nature. Birdwatchers often say that once you recognize a shrike call, you can never forget it. Is that distinctive? If you listen shrike bird sounds closely in open grasslands or dry areas, you might hear these sounds coming from the top of a tree or a wire, where the shrike usually perches to watch over its territory. It's fascinating how such a small bird carries a sound so commanding and clear, almost like a warrior song in nature's symphonies. So the next time you are outdoors and hear a crisp, alert call cutting through the quiet air, stop for a moment. You might just be listening to the voice of the shrike bird sound, the songbird with the predator's heart.